So Sean is on his way, so we can choose which anti-theft invention idea we're going to bring to life this month. And I thought I would prank him. I found Lila's popcorn doorbell, which is a doorbell that fires out popcorn, and I thought I would fill it with shaving foam. Now Sean is very good at spotting when I put out a camera to prank him, so I thought I would use my anti-theft video doorbell. Let's prank Sean.
Kids invent stuff.
Yeah, you're not coming in like that.
The shaving foam. Were you in on this? So much foam. So last month we challenged kids to send us their ideas for crazy inventions to stop people from stealing things.
And we were sent some amazing invention ideas, and here's our top 5.
Boom!
Archie sent us his idea for a combined mud shooter and giant mechanical boot, which splats thieves with mud and then automatically boots them out of your house.
My invention's name is the Jaguar Teeth Catcher. So this is my invention's picture. So how the Jaguar Teeth Catcher works, I'll explain you. It has 2 guns in its mouth, and the first gun shoots out sticky goo so it stops walking, and then the second one is the net. So it's completely trapped. Thank you.
9-year-old Sunny designed an anti-theft tape launcher that wraps thieves in sticky tape to stop them from escaping.
My idea is to put a camera on the roof of a house. And if the camera sees a thief coming, some nets come out and it captures the thief. These are the nets, and this is a thief. This is the camera.
And Cody, who's 6, sent us his anti-theft ball launcher that fires loads of high-velocity balls to scare away any pesky criminals.
A massive thank you to everyone who sent in an invention idea. We had so many to choose from. We had inventions from France
And the Netherlands.
and Mansfield.
Mansfield.
Anyway, this is what we're going to be building this month.
Let's go!
We're going to be bringing to life 6-year-old Fatima's giant hand invention. It's a massive hand that grabs onto cars and other valuables to stop thieves from stealing them.
So we're super excited to be bringing to life 6-year-old Fatima's crazy invention.
Crazy.
Okay, if you want to see more of the crazy inventions we've built and tested out, then subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can find out when we release another video.
And we'll see you next week.
Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.